Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Finally crossed 10k subscribers. Yay! Okay, I'm very happy. Yes, it is just a first step, like a small milestone, but then also I am very happy, and this couldn't have been possible without you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting me, and please keep supporting me more and more. And here I come with something really interesting. Like, I have planned to upload a new video every single day at evening. So here it goes from today, like at least for a month, like 30 videos I have planned to upload every single day. I hope you guys loved it. Please do like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I won't waste a lot of time. Without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, as from the title you must be already knowing that what is body shaper and how to wear a one piece. Like, no matter how slim you be, like no matter how, you have little that belly fat left, and in that bodycon one piece it is always shown. So for that you will need this body shaper. See, I use this kind of body shaper, and there are many different types of body shaper in the market you get, and this is not a sponsored video, to be clarified. And yeah, I use this, I personally use this, and I feel everyone must use it. So for that, what you need is this a body shaper, and when you wear that body shaper, all your tummy fat will go inside and you will look slim, and this will give the illusion that you are slim and you don't have any belly fat. So so you see all the bloggers and all the people in pictures that how slim, how their belly is so slim and all those stuffs you always wonder. So this is the secret. Yeah, so even I myself wear this while go out with my friends, family, or anywhere. And when I want to wear a bodycon one piece, yes, it is always a problem. Like it always a problem. It shows your side fats, it shows your belly fat, it don't give a proper figure wala look. No matter how fat you are, you can use this body shaper. And this body shaper, you know what exactly it does? It is so tight. Just imagine this in my waist. So it is so tight that it hugs your body really very nice. And once it hugs your body nicely, it will shrink your waist and belly and all those stuffs. Yes, if you are allergic to like stuffs that are tight to your body and you don't like for the long term, like kuch hone lagta hai if you wear tight clothes, then don't go for this, because this is really tight. But for the people like me who believe like theek hai chalega, I am okay if I am looking beautiful, I am okay if I am looking slim, then just go for this. This is amazing, and this is the secret for all the people who are fat and having no belly fat. This is what they wear. And even in jeans, even in many of the other stuffs, you can wear this kind of this. And there are many different types, like till knees. This one is the shortest one, like only covers the stomach and above the knees wala, thighs wala part. And there are few more body shapers which covers all your thighs, so even your thighs tend to look really slim. So yeah, that's all for today, and this is what I wanted to share with you guys. And yeah, from now onwards, as I said, daily a new video. And yeah, I'm very excited. Okay, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.